Anthropic launched routines and no one is talking about it, and it's a game changer in AI and automation. You can now do an automation with simple language prompt. That means Claude is literally giving a competition to N10 and other drag and drop tools. So in this video we are going to see that how to set up your own routine. So this is a post 15 hours ago from the Claude, and I have noticed that no one in India giving you the update of the Claude. Okay, like this is a 15 hours ago tweet, and if you search on YouTube, I think barely any Indian YouTuber is there who has made the video on this. Configure a routine once, a prompt, a repo and your connectors, and it can run on schedule from an API call or in response to an event. So you don't need to keep your laptop open now for automation. So if I show you this one routine, so this is my Gmail unread plus unreplied digest. Okay, so what this routine or automation is actually doing, it will go on my Gmail and check the number of mails which are unread and unreplied. Use Gmail to fetch all unread emails received in the last 24 hours. Also find threads where the last message is from someone else. For each email list, sender name, subject, one line summary, received time. Group into two sections, unread and unreplied. Post this as formatted message to Slack channel #daily digest. If there are 0 emails, post inbox clear, no unread or unreplied emails today. Okay, so after doing all this heavy lifting, now if I just go on Slack and check, so it is all unread 9 emails in last 24 hours and 1 or 2 unreplied emails. Look how cool routine is. Just given a simple language prompt to it and done. No need of drag and drop tools, wasting your 1 or 2 hours, logics and everything. And if I show you my one more routine, lead research one. So what this routine actually do, like this one is linked with my GitHub. I've given the 3 company names, visit their website URL, write a 3-line summary, what they do, company size estimate, and one pain point they likely have, and their ideal customer profile. Fill in the notes column with your summary, save the update CSV back to same file, commit with message, lead research update, today's date. So Claude routine just going through all my company names and given me what they do, their company size and their pain point and their ideal customer profile, and this is directly pulled to my GitHub. As simple as that. Now let's build one routine step by step. So you have to go in the Claude Code, not chat and not cowork. You have to go for the Claude Code, and here you find the new option routines. So just click on this routines, and here you see in the right side templates of the routines, and you also have the option of create routine, and here you have to give a name. So I'm just going with I'm going with unread plus unreplied mails, Gmail unread plus unreplied digest. And now you have to give a simple prompt. This one prompt is used by the model so that it can know that what task and what step I have to perform. Use Gmail to fetch all unread emails received in the last 24 hours. Also find threads where the last message is from. For each email list, sender name, subject, one-line summary, received time. Group into 2 sections, unread and unreplied. Post this as formatted message to Slack channel #daily digest. And if there are 0 emails, post inbox clear. So this is all for prompt. Search for the Slack in Google and sign up and log in. Whatever. If you don't have account, just sign up it. I'm going to create a new Slack for you guys. Create a workspace, and what's your name? Just put your name here and click on next. How you're planning and what's the name of your group. So name it whatever you want. I'm going with like a AI and automation. Skip, and now our Slack is ready. And one more thing, here I have written as post this as formatted message to Slack channel #daily digest. Okay, that means I have to change the channel name also with #daily digest. Copy this daily digest, just added the channel name daily digest. It's done. And after the description, you have to select a trigger. Okay, like when you want to perform this automation and daily which time you want to perform this automation. So I'm just going with a random, take it as 12 p.m. and then you have to go for the connectors. So just go in this left side in your profile. Okay, click on settings. In the left side you find the option of connectors, and here are all the connectors which you want to connect, and you can browse some more connectors. So what I want right now, Gmail connector and Slack connector. So just click on this and give the permission of the Gmail which you want to connect it with, and if you want you can just configure it that what you want to allow it and what you don't want to allow it. And now the time for Slack. Here the Slack is not showing, so what you have to do, browse connectors and search for Slack. Allow the Claude app access to Slack, and workspace is AI automation. So yeah, our workspace AI automation, as we have already built that, and click on allow. Here's the pop-up connected to Slack, and if you want you can configure Slack as well. I think I need to allow for the send message, and let's go back from here. The only thing we need is Gmail and Slack for this automation. So go back to routines again and just click on this pencil icon to edit it, and go back to the connectors. So now here you can see the option of Gmail and Slack. Click on the Gmail, add connector again, and go for the Slack and save it, and click on run now to run it manually for now, so we can see that if it is actually working or not. Okay, so it started working. Let me start by fetching your Gmail profile and searching for emails simultaneously. And total messages 7763. Like it fetches my whole Gmail completely. It's great. And got the unread emails and found the daily digest channel. And now it's done. Unread 9 emails last 24 hours and unreplied are 2. And let's see it is updated on Slack or not. So here in daily digest, I can see my 9 unread emails in last 24 hours and 2 unreplied emails. So this is too useful for us. Routine feature is completely insane, guys. Let me show you one more important thing. So this is the old way which we are using to automate our tasks, trigger, then the and some logics. You can see here an image. We used to do many things like setting up with the credentials, prompt, system prompt, a lot of logic with the Anthropic and other drag and drop tools. And after that, finally connecting with Gmail and Slack. And the new way, trigger. And now the Claude is going to do all the work. Okay, like you are just giving a simple prompt. Okay, simple language prompt, and it will going to do all the heavy lifting for you. You don't need to apply a logic and doing drag and drop. So this is a completely new change, and Claude is doing insane and giving a competition to Anthropic. And at last, one more thing is that you can transfer your Anthropic workflows directly to the Claude Code if you want. Okay, but for now, I'm not suggesting you guys to go and transfer all workflows of Anthropic to the Claude Code. If the previous workflows are working fine and they are good, so don't need to shift them to the Claude Code because they will going to use more credits. Okay, if you're building a new automation, you can completely go with the Claude Code. So this is all for routines, and I'm planning to make few more videos on how to build actual automation with the help of Claude Code and Claude Routine. So if you guys want that, just tell me, I will do that for you.